Meghalaya'S Chief Minister Conrad Sangma recently inaugurated an artificial football turf at Riangdo playground, accompanied by Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya Shaklyar Wajiri, the MLA of Mountain Road Merthodus Dkhar, and Deputy Commissioner West Khasi Hills District Garod Dykes. Sangma, addressing as chief guest at the gathering, highlighted the abundance of sporting talents in West Khasi Hills District, emphasizing the importance of such sports infrastructure for youth development. A significant investment of around 10 crores is allocated for enhancing Riangdo playground with an estimated completion time of 18 months, fostering a conducive environment for sports enthusiasts.
Give me fire, give me reason, take me higher, see the champion, take the field now.
And friends, like this stadium and this ground that we are improving, we are doing this across the state. You will be surprised to know that this government has made more stadiums and more infrastructures for sports in the last 5 to 6 years than what was made in the last 45 years put together. And this is a reflection of the commitment that we have to the youth of our state, the commitment that we have towards the sports, commitment that we have to ensure that we are able to provide the opportunity for our youngsters so that they can follow their passion. We as a government believe that we need to provide the platform, provide the infrastructure, provide the policy, provide the financial support so that these youngsters can again and again in different disciplines bring laurels for our state. Like that, investments are being made in many other disciplines. I'm happy to also inform you that Meghalaya has had 5 Meghalaya Games in the last 52 years. 5 times only. But out of these 5 Meghalaya Games, one was held in 2001 or 2002. Second was in 2004. But apart from that, the rest of the Meghalaya Games have been held during the time of this MDA-1 and MDA-2 government. And I have given the assurance to our youngsters that we will be having the Meghalaya Games every year from now on.